This property is a 3-bedroom townhouse with 2 cellars and 2 separate entrances situated in Castiglione Messer Marino, in the historic center. The house is completely made of stone, stands on 3 floors, and measures approximately 103 square meters. The main entrance is located on the first floor and opens into a landing that leads us to a large living room. Adjacent to the living room, we find a dining room with a perfectly working fireplace and a fully equipped kitchenette. On the second floor, we find a master bedroom with a balcony with a panoramic view across the village. A small bedroom with a window and vaulted ceilings that can be easily converted into a studio or a walk-in wardrobe. And another double bedroom with a window. Next to this last bedroom, there is a full bathroom with a bathtub. From this floor, a staircase takes us to a small toilet that needs to be updated. And to the attic floor, where we can find some storage space under the roof. On the ground floor, the property avails of 2 cellars. They are accessible by an internal staircase and also by an independent entrance from the back of the house. Electricity and water are connected. Gas is easy to connect, so the house doesn't avail of central heating system at the moment. The roof was renovated recently and the house is in habitable conditions. It just needs some internal revamping and maintenance work, and it's on the market for 20,000 euros.